Okay, this came in the mail yesterday. 4-inch diamond eye exhaust. So, today's project, hopefully I can save the footage, unlike the airbags and the headliner that I did. We're gonna see if she'll go on the old 12 valve. So right now, stock exhaust dumped right here behind the cab. So this kit's supposed to have hangers and everything to go turbo, 4 inches straight back, and dump behind the back tires. Let's warm the truck up. Let's see what's in the box. And shipping weight on this is 80-some pounds, so drag it around or get a buddy to help you. It's freaking heavy. Some grass skirts for a hula party. And that's, let's see, all right. Get her laid out up here. Well, there's our downpipe. Hooks to turbo, goes back. Pipe, and I got the one with, this should be, oof, that's big. All right, let me get everything laid out on the truck, and we'll go through and see everything we got. Okay, here's our box of goodies. Like I said, there's a downpipe from the turbo. We got 2 of these long 4 inches. I think one is if you're gonna straight pipe it, and the other is if you're gonna put the muffler on. So, got a big honking muffler here, but check this out. Hopefully you can see this. Maybe I'll go the other way. You can look right straight through it. It's not, it's like perforated in there. It's like a glass pack or something, but it seems to, you know, there's no real baffles or anything in there, which is cool. So we got that. We got a bunch of 4-inch hangers and all these custom ones that are for, this is the 94 to early 98, so everything is supposed to line up. I'm not really sure what I have underneath as far as original, you know, because this is how I bought the truck, so I'm not exactly sure how all this is gonna fit together. There's probably gonna be some fabrication involved here, but you get some really detailed instructions, and basically it says unhook the downpipe from the turbo and cut it by the transmission and take it out and put it back, dry fit everything, and it's pretty self-explanatory. So let's get some light and see if we can get this stock downpipe off the turbo. Alright, well, obviously there's the turbo, but it's a little dark in here. And I got one light out up there. That one's junk. So, to fix our lighting issues, I got the shop lights I need to put up, but instead of spending all that time putting them up, gonna hang the thing underneath the hood of the truck. So let me get this thing unwrapped and see if I can get us some light. Okay, let's see if she works. Cha-ching! Look at that, like daylight. Now I couldn't couldn't find any clips, so I just bent some nails. It actually worked out pretty well. One in there. Huh. Yeah. I got all the light I need. So, alright, well, this, I have to take off your intake. So that'll, there's that expertly cataloged, that over there. So what we need is, we gotta pop this, what is down there? There's a head, I'm not sure what size it is yet. And then we got one over here, and that's where our new downpipe is gonna hook to. So I soaked them with penetrating oil last night. Hopefully that will do something for me. So this should be the hardest part, is getting this thing off. So let me go find some tools and tear into it. Okay, that's not gonna work. Alright, let's throw a little heat to her. Maybe. Just maybe. Oh shit! Oh, bitch! I didn't break the freaking thing. Hey. Okay. All right, plan C. Thought I broke it. I didn't. I just stripped it. So now we'll break out the big guns and cut it off. Let's see. Damn it. Okay, here's the trick to that. See, this has it's got a ridge up there. And you got a ridge right there. And that's what that clamp does. Just open it up, you know, quite a ways, and it'll pop off. I wonder if I can check the turbo. Oh, damn, that's tight. That's nice. No play. No nothing. Soot. No oil, though. That's a good thing. Now, we got to work on getting this apart, which is going to be a lot easier on the bench than down here. So, all right, let's go work on that for a little bit. Okay, here's the old, better than new. Now, as they say in the instructions, you know, seen I had problems, and I put that part I just took off, I put that in the vise. I said, all right, I'm going to cut the bolts, blah, blah, blah. I hit it with the impact, they spun right out. Whatever. So, those are good. So, you go, when you're taking the old one off, start at the turbo, cut it down by the transmission because you can't get it out, which would be that cut right there. Boom. And then, you know, if you can get yours out, the whole assembly will come together, and then just cut it right there, and everything will slide right out the back. Now, I see I found a couple, 2 or 3 locations for the hangers. This system here didn't. The only where it was mounted was in this goofy thing here that was welded up to the flatty. So, all right, I'm going to start at the turbo and work my way back, and then figure out where I'm going to put the muffler. I think you got to do some trimming or something. So I'm going to start dry fit everything, get everything lined up, and then go through and bolt everything together. It should be this. That was a lot more work getting that old one out than I anticipated. So, okay, let me go get my collar back. I think I'll put that back on the turbo. I'll put all that in one assembly, the downpipe and everything. So, all right, let's start working on that. Okay, we didn't get finished last night. We got finished this morning. A nasty storm rolled through. So, there's our brand new 4-inch downpipe. Like I said, these bolts, once I got them in the vise, spun right out. So, I got it back in, got everything, that clamp lined up, so that holds nice. Now, let's see what we got. There, dirt. So we come down. Here's our down pipe coming down, and we got our first hanger right here by the transmission. One rolls back into, get back into the muffler. Please. There she is, all the way down through there. There's another hanger. Another hanger. Or actually, that's a. If you straight pipe it, my finger. This piece here will go all the way to the back of the muffler. But seeing I put the muffler in here, I had to trim, and they give you plenty of pipe to do it. I believe for this was a 2 foot, like 26.5 inches. Went in there, and it lined everything up. Now the muffler looks like it's facing down, but that's because I'm missing part of a hanger. It came with the kit. It's just that rubber insulator thing that I need to. I ordered them at O'Reilly's. They didn't have them in there. So she comes out and goes over the. Let's see, out here. Where she ends. Oh, goes up over the axle, nice. Came out real good. I'm happy with it. Real happy. I mean, it's a nice kit. It's a really nice pipe, heavy pipe. They give you everything you need, hangers, and just look at the pictures on the instructions. That's the. And just follow them, and it's pretty self-explanatory. But I would recommend having a buddy. I was gonna film it, but by the time you're trying to hold this stuff and line everything up and all that good stuff, it's tough. I want to get some baling twine, like I did. But all right, let's fire it up. Well, that's it. I like it. Sounds a lot better than that stock side dump. I'm happy with it. All right, thanks for watching.